Om Shanti. Essence of Murli. 28 August 2025. Sweet Baba says, Sweet children, you have now been heard. At last the day, this most elevated confluence age, has come when you become the most elevated human beings. Question. What corrupt activity, which is connected with winning and losing, makes human beings unhappy? Answer. Gambling. Many people have the habit of gambling. This activity is corrupt, because when someone loses, there is sorrow, and when he wins, there is happiness. The Father has given you children orders. Children, perform divine acts. Don't perform any acts that waste your time. Constantly make effort to gain infinite victory. Song is, At last the day has come for which we had been waiting. Essence for Dharana. Number 1. Fill your apron with the imperishable jewels of this knowledge, each one of which is worth multi-millions. Let your intellect imbibe this knowledge and then donate it to others. Number 2. Fully follow the elevated directions of Shri Shri. In order to make yourself Satopradhan, make full effort to become soul conscious. Blessing for today. May you have pure intentions and elevated wishes for all souls and become a holy swan with a swan intellect. Details are: to have a swan intellect means constantly to have pure and elevated thoughts for all souls. First of all, discern the intentions of all souls and then understand them. Do not let your intellect have any impure or ordinary intentions for any soul. Those who constantly have pure intentions and pure wishes are holy swans. When they see or hear anything non-benevolent of any soul, they will transform that non-benevolence with their attitude of benevolence. Their vision for every soul will be elevated, pure and loving. Slogan is, Become such a Ganges of love that the Father, the ocean of love, is visible through you. Om Shanti. Avyakt signals. In order to be an easy yogi, become experienced in God's love. Some devotee souls want to become merged in God's love, and some want to become merged in the light. Give in a second such souls the Father's introduction, the Father's praise and the attainments that you receive from Him. Then, let souls experience the stage of being lost in love. When you remain lost in love, you are easily able to understand the secret of becoming merged.